में मौजूद है द वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड इमिग्रेशन सोलिसिटर शालिनी भार्गवा फ्रॉम एशविट्स लॉ। आपको उनसे कोई भी सवाल पूछने हैं तो जल्दी से अपना फोन उठाइए और हमें कॉल कीजिए। शालिनी, वेलकम ऑन दी कंपेनियन।
थैंक यू सुजाता।
तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, कई सारी ईमेल्स आते हैं हमें, लोग पूछना चाहते हैं कि अगर कोई अपने एल्डरली डिपेंडेंट पेरेंट्स को या फिर किसी भी अडल्ट डिपेंडेंट रिलेटिव को यहाँ लाना चाहता है तो उसके लिए रूल्स क्या हैं अगर बाहर से लाना चाहता है तो?
सुजाता, until 9th July 2012 the rules काफी flexible थे। उसमें था if the parent or the grandparent is over the age of 65 और financial अगर dependency है तो आप अपने parents या grandparents या adult dependent relative को आप country में ला सकते हैं। And the success rate was very good and there were a lot of applications we made as well. From 9th July 2012 the rules have become extremely hard. And what they are saying now that there is no age restriction as such for the parent or the elderly dependent coming into the UK, but what they are looking at is that they should be applying on the basis of age, illness or disability, and that they require long-term personal care. Now that long-term personal care has got a very significant high threshold and the burden of proof is on the applicant जो application कर रहे हैं उनको prove करना पड़ेगा that the level of personal care is so high that about 99% or almost 100% applications fall out of that rule. It's been almost, what they are looking at in brief is that the applicant should almost be bedridden. So a lot of the British citizens and Asian people who are settled here or from anywhere in the world where they are settled here, they've got children here but their parents or grandparents are outside the UK. As it is your moral duty, you would like to look after your parents, they are not able to do so. I think I was just reading out where it said that from thousands of applications, now it's come down to about 165 applications, about 170 applications that were made in 1 year, and the success rate is almost negligible.
Okay.
So this was in 2012, but the good thing moving on, because we are in 2017, there was a case in 2016 that the upper tribunal said that although the rule itself is lawful, because a lot of consultation went on, a lot of petitions are still going around that this rule is extremely harsh, that it's almost that you cannot bring your elderly dependent people into the country. So the judge ruled that the rule in itself is lawful, but individual peoples may challenge it on the family and private life under Article 8 of the Human Rights Act.
Okay.
So that has given a little bit of ray of hope that people can challenge it. But the other change was that applications can only be made out of the UK. This is one of the requirements of the actual rule for the elderly dependent, where the rules are stated in Appendix FM. People can apply, but coming down to the family law and private life, there was a case in 2015 where there was an elderly mother, 83 years old, who made an application to come and only visit her son and grandchildren to the UK. That application was refused, but the judge then actually stated that where the child is an adult, they have a family life established with their parent. So that again, that is applicable to the elderly dependent route, where the upper tribunal judge said that there is a bit of hope and they should be entertained outside the immigration rules, not within the rules, but outside the immigration rules on private and family life. So that's definitely a ray of hope. It's got to be seen, but because it's outside the immigration rules, you just need to make it a 200% application to ensure that you have some decent chance of success.
Right.